That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is gonna be my first ever power hour. I'm actually kind of nervous because I have a lot that I want to get accomplished. I want to tidy up my living space, or the living room, or whatever you want to call it, the downstairs half bathroom, and tidy up the kitchen. I think I can get all of that done in an hour, but as you know, I do have Lucas underfoot, so we'll have to see how that goes. So I'm not going to be speaking that much throughout this video unless I have a new product for you all. So just sit back, watch me clean or clean with me. But nonetheless, just enjoy the music and let's get right into the video.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret. We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills, but no dollars. But now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for that ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this.
saying no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. Was getting harder to ignore, yeah. Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love.
You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions.
Alright guys, so the timer has gone off and it's 1:35. I think I started at like 12:32. So yeah, I didn't get exactly everything that I wanted to finish, but I know what I'm capable of doing in an hour. Hold on, boo-boo. You want to say hey to the good people? Yeah. Can you say hey y'all, hey? Okay, I'm gonna put you down. But now I know what I'm capable of doing in an hour, so sorry y'all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me. For my first power hour, I think I did a pretty good job, considering the fact that Lucas was underfoot the whole time. Usually he doesn't get that involved in any of my cleaning, but for some reason the spirit must have moved him and he must have thought that mommy needed a little extra help. So anyway, please like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I really appreciate all of the support, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.